for a really good allergy spray for your home, you're going to want to check this out. This is from a company called Allergen Spray, and they sent me this as a sample, and it is so cool. So they send you everything that you need, and in this little bottle, let me open it up, you're going to see the concentrate, because they obviously can't ship water, so you're going to see the powder in here, and I'm going to fill it up really quick, so give me a second. Okay, so I filled this up with water, and I'm going to shake it up. And the thing that I works, it's a small business here in the United States, and it's from it was a problem-solving solution that they came up with. Savannah, who is the co-founder here, she suffered from allergies her whole life, like a lot of us do, and came up with something that you literally can spray anywhere in your home. And it is not only on furniture, but we have had some construction done, and I swear the dust is never ending. We cannot get rid of it. So this is something I'm going to spray, especially before guests come over, or just throughout the week, just to kind of keep control of that dust. Of course, if you have pets, it's perfect for that. Yeah, it's just a very fine mist that sprays out, so you can kind of spray it throughout your home. There's no scent or anything. I wasn't sure on that. And basically, that's all you're gonna do. So a lot of people have had success, especially if you have pets on the furniture, spray it on the couch, whatever you need to do. And this is going to help really refresh the air. Beyond that, you can also get the refills on Amazon. So you're gonna wanna check the link that I have attached to my storefront. But basically, they think of everything for you. You literally just have to fill your bottle of water, and the minerals are in here for the spray, and this is going to help reduce airborne and surface allergens from cat dander, dog dander, dust mite matter, and cockroach matter, which yikes, but I'm glad I have this now. So I cannot wait to start using this, and I hope you guys love this. I am so excited to get a start on my home. Thanks.